Which is the southernmost point of India? The correct answer is Indira Point. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following states? The correct answer is Odisha. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? The correct answer is Godavari. Where is the highest rainfall in India recorded? The correct answer is Mawsynram. Which of the following rivers does not originate in India? The correct answer is Brahmaputra. The Thar Desert is located in which state? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The correct answer is Gujarat. The only active volcano in India is located in. The correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which of the following rivers flows westward? The correct answer is Narmada. The Chilika Lake is located in which state? The correct answer is Odisha. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, was established in which year? The correct answer is 1956. Which of the following is the highest dam in India? The correct answer is Tehri Dam. India is the largest world producer of which of the following? The correct answer is milk. Ahmedabad is situated along the bank of? The correct answer is Sabarmati River. Which one of the following is a major port on the east coast of India? The correct answer is Visakhapatnam. In which state is Sambar, the largest inland saltwater lake of India, located? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Which among the following states is the largest producer of coffee in India? The correct answer is Karnataka. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The correct answer is Kerala. Which of these is a landlocked state? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which type of soil is most suitable for cotton cultivation? The correct answer is black soil. Which river forms the Dhuandhar Falls? The correct answer is Narmada. Which one is the youngest mountain range in India? The correct answer is Himalayas. The longest national highway in India is? The correct answer is NH44. Which is the largest river in peninsular India? The correct answer is Godavari. Which of the following states shares its border with the maximum number of states? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which region is known as the granary of India? The correct answer is Punjab. Which Indian plateau is known as the Deccan Plateau? The correct answer is Peninsular Plateau. Which is the smallest union territory of India by area? The correct answer is Lakshadweep. In which mountain range is the Valley of Flowers located? The correct answer is Garhwal, Himalayas. Which of the following passes connects Sikkim with Tibet? The correct answer is Nathu La Pass. Which Indian state has the highest forest cover by area? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is not a tributary of the Yamuna? The correct answer is Gaghara. Which of the following states has the largest area under irrigation? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which state is the leading producer of tea in India? The correct answer is Assam. Which Indian state has the longest international border? The correct answer is West Bengal. Which of the following passes connects Leh to Manali? The correct answer is Rohtang Pass. Which state has the largest coal reserves in India? The correct answer is Jharkhand. Which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? The correct answer is Punjab. The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet at? The correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. Which Indian state is the largest producer of wheat? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state is known as the Tiger State? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state is famous for backwaters and houseboats? The correct answer is Kerala. Which Indian state has the highest number of national parks? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which plateau is rich in minerals and known as the storehouse of minerals? The correct answer is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Which mountain pass connects Kashmir Valley with Jammu? The correct answer is Banihal Pass. Which Indian city is located on the banks of the Hooghly River? The correct answer is Kolkata. Which crop requires alluvial soil and is mainly grown in the Indo-Gangetic Plain? The correct answer is jute. Which Indian state has the highest number of rivers? The correct answer is Kerala. Which place in India is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The correct answer is Bengaluru. Which Indian state is the leading producer of rice? The correct answer is West Bengal.
Thank you for watching.